Hello, everyone, and welcome to my Week 2 discussion board for MPA 530. In this presentation, the two governor priorities that I selected out of the state budget was the advancing the climate change agenda and the investments in homelessness. The advancing the climate change agenda, looking at the three versions of the budget, it stayed pretty consistent through the first two drafts of the proposed budget and then the May revision. However, it did increase to $51.4 billion in the June enacted budget. And the majority of, it's the big ticket items that's made up in this 51.4 billion. 10 billion is in zero emission vehicle investment. About almost 15 billion is dedicated to transportation, and some of you may be familiar with, as I've worked with some of these grants, is the Active Transportation Program grants, the ATP grants, which provide funding for projects related to local agencies related to non-motorized travel. And so try to encourage non-motorized travel. And about 8 billion of the 51.4 goes to various water projects. Moving on to the investment in homelessness. It did have some range throughout the three versions. In the proposed budget in January, it was at 3.4 billion. The May revision came out at 3.7, and then in the final enacted budget in June dropped to 3.5. This money is mainly made up of local assistance money that's provided to local agencies in the form of grants. So that those agencies can use that money to address various homelessness issues. Two major programs out of this is the Homeless Housing Assistance and Prevention Program and the Encampment Resolution Funding Grants. So thank you very much for watching my presentation today, and I look forward to watching yours.